Hi everyone, today we're going to play with Pulid, a new toy from Mattel. And actually this is like the 100th time I'm trying to narrating this video correctly. So I'm going to do it, and I probably will make some mistake and say a lot of us and us on the way. Sorry about that, and I hope you will forgive me for that. So doing Pulid images, you basically generate images with the faces of your friends, spouses, colleagues, and whoever. Please don't be a jerk. Don't post anything that you wouldn't want your face to be on it. Let's do good. So we're going to build quickly a basic SDXL image generation workflow. You know how it goes. We're loading the checkpoints, throwing everything into the case sampler, the clip text for the prompts, positive and the negative. Because we're doing lightning models, we're going to use very low CFG. So there is no negative prompts in this, right? You don't need to write anything there. Okay, we're going to add now a new toy. It's called PAG. I cannot pronounce the name correctly, but what it does, this thing, it is magic, right? It is magic in a way that, you see, it is magic. It is magic in the way that it makes the model concentrate and it changes the attention. It gives more guidance to the attention. That's the A and the G in the PAG name. And what it does, basically, it makes the model concentrate and makes it create much more coherent images according to your prompts. All right, so you should definitely start to incorporate that into your workflows. It is great, amazing. It is native to Comfy as well. It is that good. And now to add the Pulid nodes into the model pipeline. The model pipeline is a concept that basically means you start at the checkpoint, at the load checkpoint node, and you end at the case sampler, and everything in the middle is called the pipeline. It doesn't matter the order because everything is being spilled into the case sampler, get mixed up, and then you get an image at the end. So loading the Pulid and all of its submodels, choose a picture that you can live with, and let's generate something. Okay, we got a face. It is quite okay image, but in order for it to be even better, we're gonna move it through we're gonna bring in another pass, right? Another pass means that it's a new concept as well. It means that we're doing a second generation, but this generation does not start from zero. Okay, it starts from the image that you had before. Basically, we're reducing the denoise of the next sampler to anything around 0.5, 0.55, or anything like that. So that way, the second case sampler will be able to use the latent image that was created in the first case sampler. And that way, we will improve the image and using the same model pipeline to the second case sampler as well. So basically, we will have a better version. It will be a better version of the first image. Well, so let's try something else. Yeah, okay. I already like this one. Okay, once you're happy with the results that you're getting, and then you're good with the workflow and you're pretty much done with it, and maybe it's time to do a little bit housekeeping and organize it, just in order so when you're going back to the workflow, or if you're going to share it with somebody else, make it easier for them to understand as well, right? Don't make anybody's life harder. So in order to do that, we can just organize the nodes a little bit into groups and maybe use a different node. And let's go into that. So I'm going to use the YellowBus node. Actually, I wrote it. It's quite simple. It's basically just a glorified layout node that makes everything organized for me, and I like to use it in almost all of my workflows. It makes things easier to read afterwards. So just a couple of seconds of noodling, and you end up with a really nice looking workflow. Once we're happy with the results and everything is organized and our pseudo OCD is settled, we can generate an image or two just to have fun with it. And if you're happy with the workflow and you think you've settled with it, there shouldn't be any reason you couldn't label it. So just to label it, I'm creating an empty group, calling it whatever I like, dating, and that's it. This workflow will be linked in the information below. It wouldn't be a YouTube channel if I wouldn't ask you guys to like and subscribe and post and comment and tag me on everything you're doing with this kind of stuff. It encouraged me to do more, and hopefully gain some benefit from it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.